The service light in your BMW 320i is a reminder for scheduled maintenance, such as oil changes or brake fluid checks. It doesn't indicate a malfunction, but ignoring it can lead to delayed servicing. For newer 320i models from 2016 onward, you can reset the service light using the iDrive system. With the engine off or in accessory mode, navigate to Vehicle Info, then Service Required, and confirm the reset. For older models, or if the iDrive method isn't working, you'll need an OBD2 scanner like Carly or Foxwell. Connect it to the OBD2 port under the dashboard, select Service Reset, and follow the on-screen prompts. Always ensure the necessary maintenance has been completed before resetting the light. Incorrect resets can cause error codes. For newer models, the BMW Connected app may also allow remote resets. BMW service light resets are increasingly digital, with app-based resets becoming more common, potentially reducing trips to mechanics. Future models might use AI for predictive maintenance, automatically resetting the light based on sensor data. Case studies show iDrive resets are generally reliable for mid-generation models like the 2018 F30 320i. Tool-assisted resets are also effective, but can sometimes glitch, requiring software updates. Be cautious with DIY resets, as improper methods can trigger check engine lights, necessitating dealer intervention. Expert opinions stress verifying resets with diagnostics to prevent masking underlying issues. As digital integration increases, prioritize professional servicing to ensure the integrity of your vehicle's ECU.